What's up, YouTube? Random video from a random dude. I like giving my thoughts on products that I buy and rebuy all the time. Stuff that I trust, and this is one of them. So this is Palouse brand chickpeas. They're dry, and you can get them in bulk. You can get them in 25, 36, or 50-pound sacks like this, delivered right to your door. So it's super convenient. I'll put a link down below. But these are coming from Washington. They're glyphosate free, and they just have a really good product, in my opinion. They ship a really good crop. It's just the perfect size, beautiful dried chickpeas. You know, they're clean, they're washed, never had any issues. They're always super clean, and they just make a really good chickpea. These make fantastic hummus, soups. If you've got an Instant Pot, you can get away with soaking these for like 45 minutes to an hour. They soak up pretty quickly, and then they cook in about an hour too, so you're ready to go. Returning customer over and over. Can't go wrong. Skip getting the cans that have the sodium and stuff added. Just go with the dry and learn how to cook them, and you'll never go back. So yep, like I said, they're cleaned, and you can't beat chickpeas really. This is for a quarter cup, so you get 200 calories, you get a little fat, get some calcium, some potassium, some iron, you get a good chunk of carbs, 5 grams of fiber, there's no sugar, and you get 10 grams of protein in a quarter cup, which is nothing. So stock up, good thing to have. Hope that helps. It's the only chickpea that I buy is from them in bulk, so saves me time, comes right to my door. So I'll put a link down below, check it out, and leave a comment. Tell me what you make with your chickpeas. I make a lot of hummus, soups. I'll just cook them up plain with a little bit of salt as a side dish. And thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Peace.